In this session, we'll study about the structural formulas. So suppose that there are speed steps are equal to 4. So 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So here P1 will be 2 and P2 will be 2. So number of stages for this one is, so 4 is a 2 square. So there are two number of stages. So here, so 4 will be equal to 2 into 2. For 4 number of spindle speeds, 2 transmission stages are required. So it can be written, we can write the structural formula in the 2 factorial square, that is 4 different types. As so z equal to p1 and so there are 4 parameters. One is p1, p2, x1, x2. So we have to just arrange the position of the p and x in the terms of p1, p2, p2 or p2 and x2. So first we'll write down p1 first, then p2, then along with that in the bracket x1 and x2. For the second, this is the first structural formula. For the second structural formula, we'll keep the same location of the P1 and P2. Only change them. We'll change the location of X2 and X1. So we'll get the second structural formula. The next time, for the third case, we'll replace the position of P2 and P1 and then keep the in the bracket X1 and X2. This is the third formula. And here actually P2 into X2 and P1 into X1. So there is change. So these are like this way we can write down the 4 different structural formulas. So fourth one is P2 into X2 and P1 into X1. So likewise we have just replace the position of the X2 and X1. So these are the 4 different combination of the structural formula. So we'll see how to put the values of the x1, x2, p1, p2. So here for the 4 number of speed steps, p1 will be 2 and p2 will be 2. So we'll write down here p1 is 2 and p2 is 2. So normally x1 is 1. So we'll put the value of x1 is 1 and x2 will be the it is the value of p corresponding to the value of x1. So we'll first write down the 2, p1 is 2, p2 is 2. In the place of x1 write down the 1. So this 2. So we have to find out where is the x1. This is the x1, the value of p. This is the value of p. P is 2. This is the value of p. This will become the x2 value. So value of p corresponding to the value of x1. X1, whatever the value which is near to the x1, that will become the value of x2. Similarly, for the second structural formula, P1x2 and P2x1. So we'll write down the P1 and P2 values as 2. Then x1 is 1. x1 is 1. So this is the value of P corresponding to the x1. So the x2 value will become 2. So like this way we can write down the 4 different structural formula. So P1x1, P2x2. So 2 1 2 2 and 2 2 2 1. So here there are P1 and P2 are the 2 identical values. So only 2, because the first one and third one is same and second and fourth one is same. So only 2 structural formulas will remain. Suppose for this there are 6 number of speed steps. Number of stages will be equal to so 6 will be equal to 2 into 1 and 2 3. Suppose for to get the number of stages, we have to just find out the square root and cube root, whether it is integer. If it is not integer, then we have to go for this second one. We have to write down the z equal to in the terms of 2 into 3. 2 into 3. So 2 into 1, 6 can be written as 2 into 1, 2 into 3. So 2 into 1 and 3 into 1. So E1 values, E1 and E2 will be equal to 1 plus 1. So number of stages are 2. So we can write the structural formula into 2 factorial square, that is 4 different types like P1, X1. So similarly, so we will write down here, here we have taken P1 is equal to 2 and P2 equal to 3. So P1 is 2, X1 is normally 1, the value of X2, that is the value of P corresponding to the value of X1. So 2 into 1, 3 into 2. Similarly, it is 2 into 3. Now here along with that x1 value, 3 is the value. So this 3 value will become x2 value. This 3 will become the x2 value. So likewise we can write down for the third one. it will be 3 into 1, 2 into 3. Finally, it is 3 into 2, 2 into 1. So we can just summarize that. These are the four structural formulas for the sixth number space. 2 into 1, 3 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 1, 3 into 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 1. So these are the four different structural formula for the sixth number of spindle speeds. For the 9 stage gearbox, we can write down it is 4 different types. So these are the 4 different formulas. We'll put the value. It is 3 1 3 3. Similarly, 3 3 3 1. Just put the value of P1 P2 and X1 X2. We'll get these are the types. For a particular arrangement, we may write 6 formulas as follows. If there are 3 stages are there, for the 12-speed gearbox. So P1 X1, P2 X2, P3 X3. So X1 is 1, then the X2 will become 2 and X3 will become 6. So for this case, 2 into 1, then 3 into 2 and 2 into 6. Suppose that number of speed steps are 12, it may be, so we have written this 12 speed gearbox. So P1 into X1, so just this is the X1, the value of P corresponding value of X1 is 2 and the value of P corresponding value of X2 is 2, so 3, sorry, so it will become the X3 value. So X1 is 1, then it is becoming 2, X2 is 2 and X3 is 6. So suppose that for the second one, P1 X1, P2 X3 and P3 X2. X1 is 1, X2 is 2 and X3 is P1 and that is 4. So likewise we can write down the formula. Similarly, third one P1 X2, P2 X1, P3 X3. So for this one, this is the structural formula for the third case. So likewise we can write down the 6 different formulas